Alright, so I couldn't help but notice. This pattern forming here. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Right there. Right? Pattern is that? Is that a descending wedge or a bull pennant? One of those. Now we're gonna have to wait for the breakout here. Look at this. Now, seems like it's getting tighter and tighter. Now, if our hypothesis is correct, right, that it's a descending wedge, then most likely it's about to break out of this range. If it's wrong, we will have our stop loss there underneath this slow pivot there. Oh crap, cancel that. Now let's see if we're correct about it. If not, we have our stop loss right over here, right underneath this pivot there. So if we're correct that it's a descending wedge, then we will go ahead and break out of this range here. If not, if we're wrong and it goes down, then we will get stopped out right there. Now it's gonna break. If it breaks above this descending resistance, we will have a breakout. It is holding, which is good. There it goes. There's that breakout. There's volume coming in. Whoa. It just gapped up, didn't it? So good news, it did break above the descending resistance. Now we gotta fight the $6 level, the $6 level. For sure, if it breaks above the $6 level, we'll see a push higher. I'm gonna raise your stop loss there. Now we raise our stop loss to right below this pivot there, and there you go. We may raise our stop loss right below the $6 level if it continues to push a little higher. Struggling there. There it goes. There's that breakout we're looking for. Now we're raising our stop loss right below the $6 level. Now at this point we cannot possibly lose since our stop loss is above our entry point. So if it does stop us out, I mean, we do eventually get stopped out of the trade. However, it'll be stopped out at a profit, It's not a bad deal. Now we are going to reach resistance here with these two mountains. If you look at them, they're mountains, and now we're forming another mountain. Now hopefully this is not the top of the mountain and it breaks above these mountains and it makes a better, higher mountain. Now I'm thinking of raising my target because we're just 10 cents away from our take profit. However, it is stalling. Now remember, our take profit is right below the $6 mark. We're thinking if it doesn't hold the $6 mark, then it'll definitely tell us that it's showing weakness. Come on. If it's able to make a new mountain, then great. Now there's a lot of sellers there. If you look at the level 2 at 620, if we're able to break above those, then that'll be great. Now it's struggling. It's okay if it just stops us out right now. It is having trouble. Now what does it want to do? It's a lot of red. Not so much bid support, so most likely it'll stop us out. Oh, a lot of bid support there. And what does it want to do? Does it want to hold the $6 mark? Now the sellers move down to 10, which means, yeah, it's forming a new mountain. If it's not able to break above these two big mountains, then it means that the stock will just go down again. And considering that the market's about to close in about less than 20 minutes, it's better if we stop out at a profit. Don't want to be trading after hours. Kind of stagnant there. I'm gonna go ahead and show the next one. We do need to see more strength. We did see that breakout of the pattern that we anticipated, which is good. And there we go. We got stopped out. Oh, okay. Not a bad trade overall. It might find bid support here. Will it find bid support on the top of this descending resistance? Let's see what it does next. I don't know what it wants to do there. What am I doing? 5-minute candles. Oh, right to the dot. Perfectly there. So many sellers here around the 15-cent mark. Oh, props to this stock. It's still holding above, or at least around the $6. It's not completely selling off. Whoa, now there's a lot of bid support at 6. Where were you at earlier, dude? If it breaks above this, we have a chance. We get that short squeeze we wanted earlier. Whoa, there he goes. What the heck? Where the hell were you guys earlier? Oh, it's hitting that resistance again. Does it want to break through? No, we see a lot of green. Pretty healthy bid support there at 599. Nope, got rejected. Clear rejection there. I feel like it wants to pop. This thing wants to pop up. It's showing that body language. It really wants to pop above this line. Well, these lines there. Pops above this one, you still have to face this one. Major resistance areas. It wants to pop. It's holding above 6. Keeps going up there. What do you want to do, dude? Does look like a bull pennant though. We should. This thing wants to break above that area, and there it goes. Of course, it goes now. There it goes. What the heck? Wow. Okay. There's that. Oof. Should we trade on the last 8 minutes? I mean. Darn it. Stocks will do that to you. Whew. It's also at that resistance area. Straight out. Beautiful bull pennant there. And there goes rocket ship. Darn. Left without us. Happens. This 5-minute candle closes in about 30 seconds. It'd be great if this 5-minute candle goes all the way down here towards 525. There it is. No. It doesn't look that strong anymore, and the market's about to close in about 2 minutes. Minute and a half. A lot of sellers at 622. They just want to get out before the market closes. Okay. Well, guess I'm calling it a day now. But slowly we are recognizing the patterns. And we are trying to learn something new every day. In order to do so, we have to show up every day. Alrighty.